Yamasta.
So this is day one or two if you count the first video of me talking about the car as day one. So day one of car content. Let me go show you guys the car. The new car. It's one of my dream cars to like modify and all that. It is gonna be a daily. Like I said, that means I'm not gonna lower it. This is the lowest it's ever gonna get. We're gonna modify it. We're gonna do a lot of good. That's hot. We're gonna do a lot of modifications to it. Scion TC 2016, actually 2016 Scion TC.